Resetting a Craftsman garage door opener clears all programmed remotes and keypads from the system. After the reset, you must reprogram each device you wish to use. This tutorial outlines the steps. Step 1. Erase all codes. Locate the Learn button on the motor unit near the antenna or under the light cover. Press and hold it for 6 to 10 seconds until the indicator light turns off. This erases all remote and keypad codes. Step 2. Reprogram remotes. Press and release the Learn button. The LED will turn on for 30 seconds. During this time, press and hold the button on your remote until the garage light blinks or you hear a click. Repeat for each remote. Step 3. Reprogram keypad. Press the Learn button once. Quickly enter a new 4-digit PIN on the keypad and press Enter. Wait for the garage light to blink once to confirm. Limitation. This method works for most Craftsman garage door openers manufactured after 1997. The Learn button color may differ. Yellow and purple indicate 390 MHz. Red and orange indicate 315 MHz. This process is best suited for resetting the opener's memory to eliminate unauthorized access or when setting up new remotes and keypads.